Hey guys, I hope this video finds you safe and well and that you had an awesome holiday weekend. So I'm about to prep a bunch of food and I wanted to fill you guys in and show you what I was doing. What I'm making here is a quick chicken stock. So I took a whole frozen chicken, I threw it in with some water, parsley, carrots, because I didn't have the other vegetables that I like in my broth, but I'm getting that going. And I already pulled the chicken off because it cooked really quickly. It cooks quicker in a pot like this than in my slow cooker. So it's actually already cooked. I pulled the chicken off. I'm currently making brown rice with, of course, some of my chicken broth in there because I try to infuse it into my cooking whenever possible. Okay, so I have my chicken. Sorry for all my vegan and vegetarian lovelies out there. That probably looks really gross, but I gotta tell you, for my family to have prep chicken in the fridge, it just makes our lives so much easier. So I'm gonna get this all cooked and ready to go. I'm gonna use my chicken broth. I've also been really into experimenting with my spice rack because a lot of the stuff that I normally use isn't available. For some reason, I've had a really hard time finding organic garlic. So I've been really leaning into my garlic salt and I love it. And for this, I'm also going to be using curry and ginger powder. And I'm going to cook it up with some butter, a little bit of olive oil, and some of my fresh chicken broth, and it's going to be so good. So let's do it. Here's my chicken, pounded thin in between my parchment paper. So now I'm going to slice it into little strips and get cooking. So here we have the chicken. I just put the spices in. Curry and ginger go a long way, like a little bit goes a long way. So you want to kind of be easy with how much that you add at first. So this is salt, pepper, some of my beautiful chicken broth that I have cooking over here. Garlic salt, a little bit of curry, a little bit of ginger. We're going to get that all cooked up. The broth is so awesome because it literally like steams the chicken and keeps it super moist. My favorite word. And keeps it super moist. So it's really hard to dry out the chicken when you cook it with that broth. I'll probably end up adding a little more actually. So now I'm going to cover this and let it kind of steam and let all those flavors meld together. So the chicken is cooked and it's beautiful. It's going to be super moist and it's going to taste amazing. But I don't like when it's all this color. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to chop up some of this fresh basil that I have. And I'm going to mix it in just to add a little bit of color and flavor. Okay, so that's finished. Yummy. Prep chicken for the family. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you know when I put up a new one. And I'll see you guys next time. Stay safe out there.